How to turn off post views on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can turn off post views on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to turn off post views on TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application. Once you launch the TikTok application, you want to simply come to your profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once you come to the profile icon from the bottom right, tap the three lines option from the top right hand side and go to settings and privacy. Once you go to settings and privacy, what you want to do is you want to simply go to this option over here known as privacy, and once you go to this option known as privacy, you'll find the option over here known as post views. So you want to make sure to turn this thing, and you also want to make sure to turn off this toggle. When this toggle is turned off, post views will get successfully turned off. This way you can turn off post views on TikTok. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.